how to enable or disable notifications on threads. Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, you'll learn how you can enable or disable notifications on threads. This is very simple and I'll put you through on how to do it. First of all, log in into your Threads account just like I have done here. And once you're logged in, move to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Automatically you'll be redirected to your profiles page, and once you're in this page, move to the top right side of the screen where you'll see some icons. Click on the last icon there, which is a menu icon. Then on the page displayed, you would see different options like follow and invite friends, notifications, liked, saved, archive, privacy, accessibility, accounts, etc. Select notifications. On the notifications page, you then have an option for you to stop or um continue. Now there is an option which says pause all. This is if you would like to disable notifications on threads. So move to the right side of the pause all option and then put on the toggle. Then you'll be asked to know how long you want to receive um notifications from threads. Select number of hours and then just like that your notifications has been disabled. It is that simple. So if you would like to enable it, come back to this page, click on the toggle again, and then notifications would also be enabled. Alright, but then if you want to enable specific or to disable specific notifications on threads, you have different categories there: threads and replies, following and followers, custom feeds from threads. Select the one with the specific notification you would like to enable, and then go ahead to start enabling or disabling them as it occurs to you. And that is just how to do it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.